Hey guys, Dr. Hunt again at Hunt Physical Therapy. Today we're going to talk about my favorite exercises to do at home to really strengthen and tone your arms. It seems like in my practice, especially in spring, I get asked, what are the best exercises I can do at home for my arms? So that's the purpose of today's video. So you don't need a lot of equipment, maybe some light dumbbells, 10, 15 pounds. And then of course we love these large exercise bands, which you can buy now on our website, HpT&x. Free shipping worldwide, so we appreciate your support. I'm going to start with the band, and so some of this will be review for you guys that have seen other videos, but I love the straight arm push down. Good for the triceps, the back, the shoulder, and on all these 3 sets of 15, a few times a week should be sufficient. So then we can get into a tricep push down. And on the tricep, really focus on getting that locked out extension at the end. Pause for a second or so like we always do just to get that full contraction. Okay, 3 sets of 15 there. Okay, then we can kind of do this overhead tricep extension. Again, lock those elbows out at the end to get that full contraction. And you might notice my elbows are kind of staying relatively close to my head. They're not flared out, they're more in like that. 3 sets of 15. And then this is a great chest exercise as well. Kind of have your hands closed, step inside the band like that, and then extend your elbows out like you're doing a bench press motion, but your hands are close together, so that really helps isolate the triceps. Okay. Another one you can do with the band, just step on it and do some bicep curls. Again, fully extend and then fully contract the muscle at the top. And play with your hand position. You can do flat, you can kind of do this little hammer variation like that, just to mix it up, okay? So let's add some dumbbells. So several variations of the bicep curl, okay? So you got your traditional one where you're coming up like that. You notice how my hands almost rotate out to the side. It's not so much in here. That's what I see a lot of people doing. Really focus on maintaining that carrying angle. And what I mean by that is when your arms are resting at the side, how my elbows aren't straight parallel to my legs, they go out at an angle right there. That's the carrying angle of your arm, and so you want to kind of finish in that carrying angle. Like that, good squeeze at the top. And then you got other variations. You got your hammer curls. 3 sets of 15 of all these. And then the reverse curl, which I like to do one side at a time to really get the forearm. Okay, so dumbbell, overhead tricep extension. Really lock it out there at the top and work those triceps. Okay, turn sideways. 3 sets of 15. You can kind of lean over on something and do a tricep kickback. My elbow stays against my body here and really try to go for that full extension. A great bicep exercise that you can do with a rubber band that I forgot is this underhand curl. Underhand row. It's a back exercise, but it really works the biceps too. So the palms are up on this. And it's that rowing activity you guys will be familiar with, just with the palms up to work the biceps. And you can see how that really recruits that bicep muscle. All right, last but not least, find you a stable chair or a bench or something like that and do some close grip push-ups. This works not just your chest, but really targets those triceps. So keep your back neutral. Get that full extension at the top. All right, if you'll do those exercises 3 times a week for 3 sets of 15 reps, your arms should get pretty toned pretty fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please check out HpT&x, all the cool stuff we have for sale there. Feel free to leave a comment, and we appreciate your support by subscribing to our channel. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.